Hi guys, for about half an hour of using a brute force search algorithm of what's the particular code line am I supposed to bring into my file, I finally came up with this result, and this is really so cool. So here is the code. Oh, just go in the code marking hints trial and error method to find this out. Oh man, this was so tough. Okay, let me at least try to explain this. I won't ever probably write this one more time, and I didn't really gonna find the pure solution at Stack Overflow. I had to basically invent my own, but this is the damn structure that is gonna fucking working out here. Okay, so let's see the output. So what we got here from the last video. So here in this column we have the list of the tag names, so all the tags, and in this part, the tag value, I want to give the values to only to those tags that has text inside them, but I couldn't use the text method itself, for if I just done that it would say that HTML has all the text available in the document, and head tag has all the text available in the head, so this means the title. So let me just show you this in the at the example. So here, yeah, and I would probably need. Do I really need to give the code for these videos? Well, okay. Sorry for being distracted. Okay, so see here that this is the text, right? And the beautiful soup's default method text would return that the head tag has text in it. Well, definitely, yeah, sure, the head tag has text, but yeah, it's kind of not what I really want here. So I want only the title tag to display text, and the same for body. So body has also all this text, but I only want to print the header, the paragraph, the link, and so on. So in order to define, in order to not print the text in all the tags, but only those that really kind of have text, what we are checking here, we want to check whether the tag has any children or not. So body tag has children. Its children H1, P, A, and the form. But H1 doesn't have any children. Yeah. So that's the point. That's the point, really. That's very important. And this would be needed for the in order to kind of parse the data when the user would be able to pick up only those tags that actually contain the data. Well, in some cases, there might be it might be a good idea to search by some other tags, like not the tag that oh, what have I done? Not only the tag that has the text in it, but maybe some parent tag instead. But we'll just leave those cases at the moment, and I will be struggling with those later on. So let's look at the structure. So oh my goodness, if I could ever understand myself what have I written here, that would have been really great, to be honest. Okay, so let's try to start with the very beginning. So in the table body, we'll loop over all the tags in the content, and we do this recursively. So each tag, we'll loop not in all the tags, but in text children. Well, at least to my understanding. And then we're getting the tag name, and this might be well, To be honest, I have no idea how this works. Okay, I'll explain this in the dumb code monkey keen way, at least how I understand this myself. So we have the two entries. So this one and this one, they're enclosed within the table data tag, TD tag here. So one stands for the name, and this get attribute function returns the name itself, and probably it doesn't return from every single tag, but only from, well, I don't know how this works. Okay, so here this line prints the name of the tag, that's what I know for sure, and this so if there were not these lines, here we check if the tag has children or not. So if you remove this line and just leave this tag.text, then, well, let me just show you what's gonna be here. See, so within the HTML tag he prints the entire text that is available on the site, and that's not the behavior I really want here. So that's the reason for asking whether the tag has children or not. So it doesn't have a children, like title doesn't have any children, so we just use this title. Okay, this is great. Okay, so now it's time to go for tag attributes to get some over in here. And here I really wonder whether I want to print the attributes for every single tag, or instead only for those that have text within them. But probably I have to do this for every single tag, for sometimes the needed information might be in the tag that doesn't contain any text at all. That happens, yeah. So, well, probably so here I just add another column and try to ask for tag attributes. How this works? Okay, none, no attributes. Oh, come on, is this really so? Hold on a sec. Well, at least form has some attributes. And this, oh man, what have I done? Maybe still nothing. Oh, maybe just doesn't give an error, but that might be the internal error of beautiful. So hold on a sec. So maybe this is called attributes in plural. Okay, great. Okay, so yeah. Well, this is actually great. So do I want to leave them like this, or do I want to print them in a slightly prettier way? Well, probably I want to print them in a slightly prettier way. Yeah, so first I want to get rid of this empty ones here, so I say if tag attributes exist, actually, okay, let's check this out. Okay, great. So if they do exist, can I loop example, key and value. Okay, for key value. I hope Jinja templates supports this sort of for loop definition in tag attributes. Oh, not like this. This. Okay, and so I just want to say key. Oh, let's make it here. Value. Does it work? Wondering. Okay, too many values to unpack. Oh, come on. Doesn't seem to be a Jinja error though, but a Python instead. Okay, let's make it like this. Value. It's probably the wrong syntax. Let's try this. Okay, sorry guys, shame on me, but I don't know how to traverse the basic Python dictionary. Let me just find this quickly. Oh yeah, dig.keys or keys and values. Okay, yeah. It's not in the dictionary, but keys and values. Yeah, hold on a sec. Just I don't remember in dictionary values. Okay, we can do the dictionary values, the dictionary keys. Dictionary items. Okay, dictionary items. This is it. Okay, so for key and value, should it work? Should work. Yeah, key and value. Okay, this is great. Okay, so he considers this to be a list, and if I just remove that, so say over like this. Okay, this is still returns a list. Yeah, it's because the class can have multiple values in there. So, well, okay, I just leave this for now. Okay, so probably use the strong tag for key. probably enclose them within the div row class. Okay, this is good. And I also want a colon here. Well, this is at least something at the moment. Okay, I would like also to have some extra space here. Okay, I'm not sure how to do this. Well, I could have used a table within the table at some point. But just make it a table row here. Okay. It's not the way of doing this, so need a table body. Well, probably I'll change this later on, but at this moment I just want to consider this to be the table here already kinda in. Okay, table. Yeah, this is better. This is better. It's not really that pretty good. Let me put the form a bit higher. I'll say here. Wow, why is this still at the very end? Huh. That's interesting. Okay. Okay. Could I just put another link? Okay, it's just okay, then maybe just put here each reference. Another path and class. Whoa, that's the begin button. No, begin primary. So here how it's gonna look like. Well, I definitely don't like the appearance. It's probably not the best way ever to do this, but still Or maybe just table in table is not the best ever in the world either. Well, there are some. Oh, I've done that before one day. I'm not sure how exactly I did that, but same view, but with those, but not by the table, basically. But well, another solution is just trying to not render in the rows itself. Well, but that's not to the point at this moment. So am I really supposed to just leave this as the table, or maybe try to make a tree-like view? But the user doesn't probably care that much about the tree, but only in case if we need to extract the bunch of text. But on the other hand, again, this is the internal scraper stuff, so the user doesn't have to care about that. He only has to care about the particular text that he's supposed to take. And if you can't just extract this directly, then probably you need to try to find a way to extract this. But this would be the pain of scraper, not of the user, definitely. Well, okay. Okay, do we have the table without this rows being rendered? Maybe this would be more beautiful, the strip table. So I'll grab that. Oh, table hover. It's cool. Small table. Color table. Well, this might be interesting, by the way. Say to make the rows, the entries that have text, say, make them green or yellow. There has to be some way of not displaying this. Okay, let's prettify stuff a bit. So first, the table, we want this to be stripped and hover. Well, I hope this works. Well, now, yeah, it's better. So later on, probably I'll make this clickable. Well, hey, basically now it's much better now. This looks like better. I wanted this to be stripped. Is this stripped basically? Nope. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Invisible rows. Okay, this might be the version specific. Okay, no borders on bootstrap table. This seems to be cool. Table borderless. Okay, I believe this might be interesting. Okay. What's the condensed? Not sure. Okay, let's try to check this in here. Doesn't seem what I expected. Okay. Okay, and now that this is already cool. Okay. Okay, what's the condensed begins? If I remove this, can you see the difference, guys? I can't see the difference. Well, doesn't matter. Okay, so table. Where's the table? Table plus table border less. Okay. Well, this seems to be much better now. Okay. Well, definitely really far from being production ready yet, but still something, yeah. Okay, let's make the tag name. Let's enclose the tag name within the strong tag. Like this. Oh, not like this. Sorry. Well, maybe that works as well, but I meant this. Strong. Okay. Now try to make the header. Where's the header? Make it a bit darker, a bit more dark, if possible. Okay. Maybe this. Yeah, it's a bit prettier now, right? Okay. And also okay, now I like it much better. And now this, guys, to be somehow noticeable. Oh my god, what is here? The key value, no, not here. Okay, this one. Oh, no, not like this. Not like this, definitely. Okay, let me see this in the bootstrap table. So how did they do them? Yeah, this one. So T row. Okay, that's regarding the row, not the. Okay. So. Huh. But I can't do it directly in here, basically. Not good. Not good. Well, design needs to be worked out really well here. Probably not at this very moment. Yeah, so that's the table row here. Yeah, if I make it so one more time, the background, yeah. Okay. Oh, one. Lost my cursor. Nope. Yeah, it would make them all yellow at the moment, which is not what I want. Yeah, I want only the single rows. Well, next time. Okay, guys, so what we got at this moment, well, so we just parse the entire content like this, and yeah. Okay, now let's have some fun. Apparently, let's try to grab something real. So instead of this weird HTML, which we don't probably need anymore, well, I'll just keep this for a while. Okay, do we need this data? I don't remember. Well, probably we don't. I'll get rid of this. So I need to import requests as well. Requests, yeah. And here, so I don't need this as well. And say response is equal requests get. Let's get, I don't know. Ah, good old Stack Overflow. Okay. StackOverflow.com. And here, response text. Okay, hold my breath and update. Wow. So title Stack Overflow, link. So nothing in the link. Maybe beautiful soup just ignores that. Oh, no tags, no tags, no tags there, but no attributes. Or are there any attributes? Yeah, but I just a bit wonder why this so damn huge. Okay, this is too big, so I would need to okay, somehow to limit this width. Okay, great. Okay, just not that big, not that big width. Okay, even takes some JavaScript here, which might be useful at some point, basically, yeah. Stack Overflow link. Cool. Okay. I still don't like the result, but I mean the appearance of the result, but from the logic and the algorithm perspective, this is probably something more like what I'm supposed to have. Okay, so one last thing, and I'll end this video and we'll go eat something probably. The one last thing to do is try to limit the width of this column. I did this once, I don't remember how I did that, or where to grab the code. Okay, so let's bootstrap table column width fixed column width. For bootstrap 4, table. Okay, stop. Hey, that seems to be a better solution compared to what I used in particular, I believe. Maybe I use this sort of stuff. Well, okay, let me just try. Maybe, even though it seems I have the bootstrap 4, but this might work. Just try to see. So this regards not the tag name, but this, the second one. The second is called value. So this regards the value. So here, yeah, it doesn't work. So, well, maybe use this. Oh, come on, why doesn't this work? Well, yeah, and I have crop, probably that's why it doesn't work. Oh, maybe that's the reason for I'm doing this in the data. Maybe I should have done this in the header. Okay. what if I just get rid of hold on a second, it seems I remember where did I see that. It's one of my projects here. This title is apparently what I need. Okay. Okay, I'm just feeling so hungry. My stomach hurts a bit, so it's probably time to stop here. I remember this was a pain. I don't remember how I did that. Okay, it's a table. Oh, it's not here. Hold on a sec, it's in the scrapers apparently. Yeah, it's in here. What's here? Yeah guys, by the way, this is that's what I'm getting paid for one of my projects. Here you can run the scrapers from the web interface. I didn't log in, hence there are no buttons like to run and cancel, things like that. Okay, and the table, where's my table? Scope call. So this probably is important. Maybe not. So which one? I did limit one of those. I'm not sure which exactly. Okay, I'm just really tired already. So I need some time to basically, find, just Google it and find how to limit the width of this entire column. Okay, guys, see you next video. Take care.